A fall protection program is a strategic plan designed to prevent falls in the workplace. It includes identifying potential fall hazards and addressing them before they lead to accidents. The first key component of a fall protection program is the hazard identification. It is a comprehensive process that involves regular site inspections and review of historical data to identify any potential fall hazards that may affect worker safety. Next up is training and awareness. OSHA Standard 1926.501 mandates that all workers exposed to fall hazards must receive proper training, which covers the recognition of fall hazards, the correct use of fall protection equipment, and the procedures to follow in case of an emergency. Another key component are engineering controls, which are the first line of defense against fall hazards. These are physical measures designed to prevent falls before they can occur. For instance, guardrails provide a barrier between workers and fall hazards. Safety nets can catch a worker if they fall, reducing the risk of serious injury. Other controls include scaffolding and platforms that provide stable work surfaces at height. When falls cannot be entirely prevented, personal fall arrest systems, or PFAS, become crucial. A comprehensive personal fall arrest system consists of the elements, referred to as the ABCDs. A is for anchorage. This is the secure point that your fall arrest system attaches to. It must be capable of supporting at least 5,000 pounds per worker. B is for body harness. The harness distributes the forces of a fall over the strongest parts of your body. It should fit snugly, but allow for full movement without restriction. C is for connectors. These include lanyards and deceleration devices that connect the harness to the anchorage. They must be inspected regularly to ensure they are in good working condition. D is for descent/rescue. In the event of a fall, a rescue plan must be in place to ensure the worker can be safely retrieved. Descent devices help lower a worker to the ground if they are suspended after a fall. For a more secure fall protection system, it is essential to regularly inspect and maintain its components. Under the OSHA 1926 Fall Protection Standard, all fall protection systems must be inspected before each use to identify signs of wear and tear, fraying, or damage that could compromise the integrity of the equipment. Finally, no fall protection program is complete without a solid emergency response plan. OSHA mandates that employers must provide for prompt rescue in the event of a fall. Rescue plans should include details on who is responsible for the rescue, what equipment is needed, and how to safely retrieve a fallen worker without putting others at risk. Here's a rundown what a fall protection program should have. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more training guides.